Hello students, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech for Maths, and here we have another set of 10 most important MCQs which are very important for exam. So let's get started. Question number 21. P is the LCM of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and Q is the LCM of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So let us find out the LCM. So P is the LCM of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So let us find the LCM first. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Leave 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, leave 5. 1 1, leave 3, 2 1s are 2, leave 5. Now by 3, 3 1s are 3, 5 and 5 is the last one. So 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24, 5s are 120. 120 is the LCM of these 5 numbers, which is equal to P. Similarly, the value of Q: 3, 5, 7, 9. Leave 1. 3 1s are 3, 5, 7, 3 3s are 9. Leave 5, leave 7, 3 1s are 3. Now 5 1s are 5, leave 7, and here 7. 3 3s are 9, 5s are 45, 45 7s are 45, 7s are 7, 5s are 35, carry on 3, 7 4s are 28, 3 31, 3 1 5. Now L is the LCM of P and Q, 120 and 315. Let us start. 2 6 are 12, 0, 315. 2 3 are 6, just copy 315. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 5 are 10. Take 3 now, 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3, 0, 3 5s are 15. Again by 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Now start, divide by 5, 5 7s are 35, 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35 and 7 1s are 7. So 2 into 2, 8, 2 into 2 into 2, 8, 3 are 24, 25, 24 5s are 120, 3s are 360 and 360 into 7. 360 into 7. 7 0 are 0, 7 6 are 42, carry on 4 and 7 3 are 21, 4 25, 2 5 2 0. Now L equals 21 of P. So what is the value of 21 of P? What is the value of P? You get it, multiply 0, 12 1s are 12, carry on 1, 12 2s are 24, 1 25, 2 5 2 0. So first one is the answer. You can check the second one too. L equals 4Q. L equals 4 times of Q. Q is 315. That is 4 5s are 20, carry on 2, 4 1s are 4 2 6, 4 3 are 12. So this one is not equal. This one is not correct. Next, L equal to 63P. If L equal to 21P is 2520 and L equal to 63P is much more. Next, L equal to 16P, that is very less than 2520. So 2520 is the answer. The LCM is the SCF of 120 and 144 by fundamental theorem of arithmetic is. So let us start. Just factorize 120. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, 2s are 24, 5s are 120 and 144. 12 into 12 equals 144. 3 4s are 12, 2 into 2, 3 4s are 12, 2 into 2. Now find out the SCF. So what is SCF? Here is a pair of 2 into 2, here is a pair of 2 into 2. That is 2 into 2. here is a pair of 2, here is a pair of 2, here you have 3, here you have 3. So 2 to the 4 to the 8 is 24 is the HCF. Now find out LCM. LCM, yes, what will be the LCM? We have SCF 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now write down rest of the numbers, that is 5 ones, and here 3 and 2 also ones. So what will be the LCM? 2 into 2 into 2, 8, 8 5 is 40, 8 5 is 40, 3 3 is 9, 2 is 18, 18 4 is 72. So 720 is the LCM and 24 is the SCF. Second is the answer. Next, the SCF of two number is 2 and the product is 120. Find the LCM. This is a very easy question. As you know, we have the formula number 1 into number 2, that is first number to second number is equal to LCM into HCF, highest common factor. Now substitute the value. The SCF of the two number is 2. Substitute the value 2 here, and the product is 120. The product of two number is 120. Substitute. Now LCM is not given and we need to find out the same. So if we find out the value of LCM, when 2 is transposed to the other side, will come as a divisor. So LCM is 60. 2 6 are 12. Cancel out 0 and write down here. LCM equals to 60. B is the answer. Come to the next one. If the SCF of 65 and 170 is 13 and the LCM of this is 45 into 8, find the value of A. Where is the question? As you know, we have the formula first number into second number equals to LCM into SCF. So as you know, the SCF of 65 and 70 is 13. Substitute the value. Similarly, you have LCM of 65 and 117 is 45 into A. 45 into A. Okay. And the first number we have 65. Second is 117. So very easy. The equation form can be solved. Look at here. 13 5 is 65. 5 into 117 equals 45 into A. Again 5 9s are 45. 117 equals 9 into A. Again 9 1s are 9, 9 3s are 27. The value of A is 13. C is the answer. Next, again we have the same kind of question. If the SCF of A and B is 12 and A into B equals to 1800, then the LCM of A and B is very easy. We will use the same formula. The first number into second number is always equal to LCM into SCF. Students, I am sure one of the question from this formula will be there in your exam. Look at here. The SCF of A and B is 12. Substitute the value of SCF 12, and A into B equal to 1800. A into B, that is first number is multiplied by second number, gives 1800. So LCM we need to find out. Very easy. LCM हमें find out करना है. 12 ones are 12, 12 fives are 60. LCM equals to 150. Very easy question. C is the answer. If the SCF of 306 and 657 is 9, then their LCM is, once again we'll use the same formula, first number into second number equals to LCM into SCF. First number, second number we already have. 306 into 657 equals LCM we need to find out, and SCF is given as 9. So bring this 9 here as a divisor because it's a multiplication. So after transposing, 9 will become the divisor. Here this is 639 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 0, 3 twos are 6. Again 2 1 3, it comes in the table of 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So 34 into 657. 657 and you have 34. Just get it, multiply. So 4 7s are 28, carry on 2, 4 5s are 22, 4 6s are 24 to 26, 3 7s are 21, carry on 1, 3 7s are 21, carry on 2, 3 5 is 15 to 17, carry on 1, 3 6 18, 1 19, 8 3 7 6 13, 9 to 11 12, 2 2 3 3 8, 2 2 3 3 8. First one is the answer. We are given LCM, that is 1001. Next is HCF, that is 7. Now the question says that how many such pairs are possible. So let us assume there is a pair of x and y number. Got it? X and y number, x comma y is a possible pair. Yes, let x and y is a possible pair. Now as you know, x, a number, must be a multiple of 7 into, we don't know what number, maybe a, okay, and y, another number, must be a multiple of 7 but don't know the next number. So we can say if we multiply 7 with a number, any number, will get x, and we multiply 7 with any number, any other number, will get y. So these are the possible two numbers. Now as you know, we have the formula, first number into second number equals LCM into HCF. Substitute the value. The value of first number is, don't know, 7a. The value of second number is 7b. Now what is LCM? LCM is given to us 1001 and HCF is 2 7. 7 is cancelled to 7. 7 AB equals 1001. AB equals 1001 upon 7. Now 7 ones are 7, we get 3, 0 30, 7 4s are 28, get 21, 7 3s are 21. So AB, the product of two number is 143. So look at students, look at here, how can we get the product of two numbers 143? First, if we factor 143, 4 1 5 3 8. Let's start with 3, not possible. 5, not possible. 7 to the 14, not possible. 11 banja 11, 11 3s are 33, and here 13 banja 13. Now the possible product of 143 are 11 into 43, 11 into 13. The next one is 143 ones are 143. So how many possible pairs we got? That is 2, 11 comma 13, and the second one is a comma b equals 143 comma 1, or it may be 1 comma 143. Okay, so 2 is the possible answer. There are two pairs which are possible, so C is the answer, that is 2. Next question, if p is a prime number, look at student, if p is a prime, if p is a prime, then p is a prime, then tell me students, p plus 1 will be, must be an even number. Tell me yes or no, must be an even number. Why? Yes, why? Because p is a prime number, that means it will be odd number, must be an odd number, because even numbers are never prime. If p is a prime, it must be an odd, and then p plus 1, if p is an odd, then p plus 1 must be an even. Got it? So if p is a prime, then SCF and LCM of p and p plus 1. The question says that the LCM of p and p plus 1. Look at students, the first one is a p, that is an odd number, the second one is a p plus 1. Now what will we do? We know that p and p1 has no common factor other than 1. p और p1 का कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है, बिकॉज p इज अ प्राइम. ओके, बिकॉज p प्राइम नंबर है, p प्लस 1 कंपोजिट है, सो प्राइम एंड कंपोजिट में से कभी भी कोई कॉमन नहीं मिलेगा. सो वी नो डेट p and p plus 1 have no common factor. So, or we can say we have 1. Now, as you know the formula, what is the formula? Formula is first number into second number is equal to LCM into HCF. As you know, there is only 1 is the common factor between both of them, so SF is 1. LCM we need to find out. First number we have p, second number we have p plus 1. So here we have LCM equals p plus 1. Here is a comma. So C is the answer. Come to the next question. 29. The SCF and the LCM of 12, 21 and 15 respectively are. Very easy question. LCM, factor of 12 are 3 into 4, factor of 21 are 3 into 7, factor of 15 are 3 into 5. So 3 is the common factor. So we can say 3 is the SCF, highest common factor. Here is 4, here is 7, here is 5. Nothing is common except 3. So 3 is the HCF. Now let us take the LCM. What will be the LCM? 3 into, write the highest common factor once, then the rest of the numbers into multiplication. That will be the LCM. 3 4s are 12, 12 7s are 84, 84 5s are 84 5s are 5 4s are 20, carry on 2 5s are 40 and 2 42. So this will be the answer. 3 is the SCF and 420 is the LCM. Next question. In which of the following number is an irrational number? 22 upon 7. This is in the form of P upon Q, 100% rational. And this is 3.1416, 3.1416. You can remove decimal from here and add 4 zeros. So this is again in the form of P upon Q, that is a rational number. Next, 3.1416, 1416, 1416. Look at question. Look at this. Look at the question. This question is very important. 1416, 1416, 1416. 1416 is getting repeated. That is 3.1416 bar. So students, you can assume x and multiply it by 10,000 and get it changed into P upon Q. The next question is 3.141441444144. There is, this question is non-terminating, as you know, and non-repeating too. So this is the irrational number. Thank you students. Thanks for watching.